Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is active and two-factor authentication is enabled. This is required. Next, update your device to the latest OS and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so time sync and certificates validate. Open the app or web page and tap Sign in with Apple. Watch the permission prompt. If the app asks to share or hide your email, decide now. Hide will create a relay address. Once done, continue to the next steps to verify account links and tokens. You now verify the technical middle steps. Confirm the app bundle ID or website service ID matches what's configured in Apple Developer Console. Fetch the ID token and authorization code from the sign in response and validate the JWT signature and expiry. This prevents rejected logins. Make sure non-C values match to prevent replay attacks. Also confirm the relay email delivered if you hid your real address. Test on another device or in an incognito. Finish by linking the returned Apple provider user ID to your application user record and store any refresh tokens securely. If the sign-in fails, force a token refresh and verify your server clock is synchronized using NTP. Token validation is time-sensitive. If problems persist, revoke the existing private key in Apple Developer, generate a new key, and update your backend. Then retest the entire flow. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see invalid grant, check revoked credentials or mismatched client ID, reissue keys and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.